Guys, this is Maverick42 Gaming and welcome to another game called Subway Surfers. Now, you guys might be wondering why am I not playing this for a long time, but I was playing it when I was a young kid without channels. So yeah, I was a pro in this one when I was a kid. So basically this guy is painting the train, so the guard saw him and catch him, and you gotta escape him like this. Ooh! Like Santa Claus. Whoop. I know how to play this one. I don't know how to. Oh, what? I'm swiping it. See? Haha. I love him when he's running. Hoverboard rock, now you go. S, what's the letter S do? Sun, I need one. Ooh, magnet. I need those. Ow. Oh, uh-oh. Slow, low and slow. Come on. Come on, Apple. Come on. No, not doggy. No, 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 no. Kiss me the dog. You. Letter U. Yes. See, guys? Oh, wait. My first try. I'm such a pro. Come on. Such a pro. It's getting a little bit faster. Uh-oh. Oh, my hands. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Coins, coins, coins. More coins. See, guys, first try, no fail. Too fast, man. Too fast. Oh yeah, Mr. Box. Box. Ooh. Uh-oh. Come on, man. Santa Claus. Come on. Whoop. Swiping. Oh yeah, jump boost. Like Minecraft Pocket Edition. Oh, I'm such a pro. Oh yeah, that's what you call pro moves. Uh-oh. Come on, get all the coins. Oh yeah. Oh no, no. Come on, get those. Take that door. Jump boost is cool. Ow. That's what I hate on jump boost. Oh yeah, mystery box, our first one. 1,000 coins. Oh my goodness. I like that move when it's running. That is so cool. Oh yeah, can you guys beat that? Come on. I have 5 keys. Characters. Frank, Freezy. I actually had this ninja, but when I was a kid. And also Tagbot. I have it when I was a kid as well. That is so awesome. Still recording? Yeah. Tap to play. Come on, let's go. You can actually record for longer than 15 minutes, so yeah. See that? That's what you call pro moves. Oh yeah. Wanna go here? 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 Whoa! Come on, let's go. Whoa! What? I swept it. What? Okay, fine. Whoa! Blah, blah, blah. Come on. Can you catch me? Come on, catch me. Woo, woo. Ah, I need it. I really like them following me. Having a hard time, man. Having a hard time. Come on, run, 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 run. Nope, not today. Ow. Mystery box! I love collecting those mystery boxes. Come on, trade. Oh yeah. Whoa. Oh yeah, I love this part. Moving trains, that's cool. There we go. Sorry for being quiet. Oh, collect the coins. Of course I could collect 200 coins. I'm a pro. See that moves? That's what you call pro moves. Oh no. No, no, ow. Tap to open. Ooh, Tricky's hat. Okay. I am such a pro at this one. That's cool. Yeah, let's try that. Oh yeah, fast moves, man. Fast moves. Ow. Wait. Wait a second. Okay, not gonna log in with that. I'm gonna log in to the Facebook next episode. So yeah, be sure to watch the next Subway Surfers, guys. So yeah, if I fail this, I'm gonna end the video. So I like that on your hands. Whoa. Whoa, I'm a ninja. I jump like a ninja. But there we go. Pro mobs. Hashtag pro. Ooh, I love this part. Get him! Oh, no! extra long. Mr. Box. Oh yeah, jump, jump. Ow. Oh my goodness, come on, I'm so fast. You mean it, guys. Come on, I'm not gonna die, I'm not gonna die, I'm not gonna die, I'm not gonna die, but... Come on, get those, these, that. Ooh, jetpack, oh my goodness. I love it, I love it, I love it, yeah, I love it. Love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh yeah. Extra coins, yes. I'm gonna beat this guy on top of me. Having a selfie, man. Shout out to you, just kidding. Woo, jump. Jam. Jam. Oh yeah. Whoopsie daisy. Ow. Oh yeah. Extra long. Ow. Okay, no more. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you. Whoa, video. See you guys. Good. Bye.